where you go? Oh, I'm watching the feet. Wow, galing. These are good shoes. How high are they?
This high.
Oh, how many inches? Maybe 3? Galing.
And the sparkles. Look at the sparkles.
Yeah, I see that. How much was it?
They were on sale.
So it's on sale? Oh, that's
And it
good.
was 11.90.
That's not bad. For a party shoes.
Nope.
Okay.
And
Great.
they're called
What's the brand?
Pendant?
Where'd you buy this? The DSW?
Nordstrom's Rack.
Oh, Nordstrom. Yeah, they got everything very cheap.